Hello everyone and welcome to your weekly interaction inspiration. Be sure to watch until the end so you can see this week's winner. To start us off, we have this cool banking app by Brave Wings. And up next is this really awesome Guide to Europe design animation by Levon for Zajno crew. And next up, we have a mobile app design by Outcrowd. And here's an awesome landing page by Afterglow. This next design is called Spins Wine and is by Tubik. And now we have an animated feed by Cuberto. Up next is a task reminder by Fiasco. And here we have another cool landing page by Outcrowd. And here is a voyage travel website by Dima for Eleken. And the winner of our top 10 animations for this week is this super fun animation based on the movie Up, and it's to celebrate World Chocolate Day by Tony. What was your favorite design? Comment below and share this video if you enjoyed any of these designs. You can find all the links to our social media platforms as well as the featured designs down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next Monday for your inspiration of the week. Thanks for watching.